Imagine waking up every day with an unwavering certainty that the universe is on your side, ready to guide you toward wealth and wonders. What if you could tap into that cosmic generosity to manifest money and miracles into your daily life? It's not just wishful thinking. With specific, daily actions, you can align yourself with the forces of abundance. Today, we'll explore foundational practices that can turn this vision into reality. Are you ready to harness the universe's potential and see transformative changes in your life? Let's look into how you can achieve this through understanding daily rituals. To start, it's crucial to comprehend the role the universe plays in the realm of abundance. The universe isn't just a vast expanse above us, it's an active, dynamic force interacting with our thoughts and energies. According to the law of attraction, we attract what we focus on. If our focus lies on abundance and prosperity, the universe responds by aligning opportunities and rewards with our state of mind. But it's not solely about asking or wishing, it's about being in tune with what the universe has to offer. The first step is to believe in the possibility of abundance. This belief isn't about blind optimism but a profound understanding that the universe has an unlimited supply of resources and opportunities. The challenge for many is overcoming the scarcity mindset, a belief that resources are limited, leading to fear and competitiveness. But the universe operates on principles of abundance and generosity. When we shift our mindset to accept that there's enough for everyone, we open ourselves up to receive. This shift doesn't happen overnight. It requires consistent reflection and mindfulness about how we perceive wealth and blessings. Visualization is one of the most potent practices for manifesting desires into reality. It involves creating a vivid mental image of the life you want to live, including the wealth and miracles you aim to attract. This practice harnesses the power of your subconscious mind, setting the foundation for your actions and thoughts to follow. Daily visualization is like planting seeds in the fertile soil of your mind every morning. Over time, these seeds grow into the reality you visualized, guided by the nurturing hands of the universe. Each day, dedicate a quiet moment to close your eyes and envision your life filled with the prosperity and joy you desire. Imagine yourself handling money confidently and experiencing the wonders you wish for, whether they're related to personal achievements, relationships, or spiritual growth. The key is in the details. The more specific you are, the more tangible your vision becomes. As you visualize, engage all your senses to make the experience as real as possible. What sounds surround you in this successful version of your life? How does it feel to live your dream? Engaging your senses fully will deepen the impact of your visualization, making it a powerful call to the universe. Building on the foundation of visualization, affirmations are powerful verbal tools that reinforce your connection to the universe's abundance. These short, positive statements help cement your visualization efforts by embedding these aspirations into your everyday thoughts and behaviors. The principle behind affirmations is straightforward: what you repeatedly say influences your thoughts, which in turn shapes your reality. By affirming your goals, you inform the universe of your readiness to receive and harness the abundance it offers. Begin each day by stating clear, positive affirmations related to your financial and miraculous goals. For instance, say aloud, "I am open to the wealth the universe offers," or "I am a magnet for miracles." Speak these affirmations with conviction and clarity. It's crucial that your emotions align with your words. Feel the truth of what you're declaring. This alignment assures that your entire being, mind, body, and spirit, is working in harmony to manifest these affirmations. As a daily practice, affirmations not only set the tone of your day but also act as constant reminders of your capabilities and the universe's role in fulfilling your desires. Gratitude is a key element that fuels your relationship with the universe. Recognizing and appreciating what you already have makes room for more blessings. In essence, gratitude is an acknowledgement that the universe is already working in your favor, which strengthens your faith and trust in its continual generosity. This practice transforms your perspective, shifting from a focus on lack to an appreciation of abundance, which aligns perfectly with the universe's abundant nature. Incorporate a daily gratitude practice by taking a few moments each morning or evening to reflect on what you are thankful for. You might express gratitude for something as simple as a sunny day, a supportive friend, or the meal you had. Or, you could be thankful for the progress towards your goals, no matter how small. Documenting these moments in a journal can enhance this practice, providing you with a physical record of the universe's gifts. Over time, this habit not only cultivates a deeper appreciation for life's blessings but also reinforces your belief in the universe's capacity to manifest dreams into reality. Together, affirmations and gratitude create a robust framework for attracting abundance. These practices ensure that your mindset and actions are consistently aligned with the principles of abundance and miracles. By affirming your desires and appreciating what you receive, you complete a cycle of positivity that the universe echoes back in kind. To truly allow the universe to channel abundance into your life, it's essential to clear out the negative beliefs that serve as barriers. These beliefs often stem from past experiences, societal inputs, or deep-seated fears about worthiness and scarcity. They act like blockades, disrupting the flow of abundance and miracles. Recognizing and releasing these beliefs is crucial in creating a clean slate for positive energies to flourish. Start by identifying any recurring negative thoughts that surface when you think about wealth or miracles. Do you believe that it's difficult to acquire wealth? Are you skeptical about miracles happening in your life? Acknowledge these thoughts and challenge their validity. It's important to understand that these beliefs are not truths, they are merely perceptions that can be changed. Replace each negative belief with a positive, empowering belief. For instance, counter the thought, "Wealth is hard to come by," with, "The universe is abundant, and so am I." This process of replacement isn't just about denying negative thoughts but transforming them into affirmations that uplift and support your aspirations. Meditation is a powerful tool for aligning your mind, body, and spirit with the universe. It not only calms the mind and reduces stress but also enhances your capacity to receive. Through meditation, you create a quiet space to connect deeply with the universal flow of abundance, setting a profound intention to attract what you seek. Incorporate a simple meditation routine into your daily practices, focusing on abundance. Find a quiet spot and a comfortable position to sit for a few minutes each day. Close your eyes and focus on your breath, allowing your body to relax deeply. Visualize a light surrounding you, symbolizing the universe's energy. With each inhale, imagine drawing in abundance and miracles. With each exhale, release any doubts or fears. Use this time to feel wholly connected to the potential of the universe to fulfill your desires. The regular practice of meditation reinforces your internal harmony and attracts external manifestations, effectively bridging your current reality with your visualized dreams. Through the conscious release of negative beliefs and daily meditation, you open up channels for the universe to deliver abundance. These practices ensure that your mental and spiritual pathways are clear of obstructions, allowing wealth and miracles to flow into your life seamlessly. While you continue these practices, observe how the universe responds by aligning opportunities and blessings with your newly fostered beliefs and heightened state of receptivity. To effectively attract money and miracles, it's essential to ensure that both your physical and mental spaces are primed for reception. A welcoming environment signals to the universe that you are ready and open to receive its gifts. This concept extends beyond mere cleanliness or organization. It's about creating a space that resonates with the energy of abundance and positivity. Begin by decluttering your living and workspaces. Physical clutter can be a manifestation of mental clutter, and both can impede the flow of positive energies. As you clear your space, think of it as making room for new opportunities and blessings to enter your life. Next, consider the aesthetics of your environment. Incorporate elements that evoke a sense of wealth and positivity, such as plants that bring life and freshness, or colors that inspire a prosperous mindset. This setup does not require significant investments. Small, thoughtful changes can significantly shift the energy of a space. In your journey to manifest wealth and miracles, an essential component is trust in the universe's timing and its grand plan for you. Developing this trust involves acknowledging that while you can set intentions and take actions, the universe also has its own timeline and methods for manifestation. This trust is what sustains you during periods when visible progress seems to stall, preventing discouragement and maintaining your focus on the desired outcomes. To cultivate this trust, start by reflecting on instances in your past where unexpected outcomes turned out to be beneficial. Use these reflections as reminders that the universe often works in mysterious but ultimately positive ways. It's also helpful to regularly affirm your trust. Each day, you might say, "I trust the universe to provide me with what I need at the right time." This affirmation helps solidify your confidence in the process and soothes any impatience or anxiety about outcomes. By creating a welcoming space and cultivating trust in the universe's workings, you build a robust foundation for abundance to flow into your life. These practices not only prepare your external environment but also align your internal mindset to be receptive to the miracles you are working towards. Recognizing and acting upon synchronicities, meaningful coincidences, can significantly enhance your journey towards attracting money and miracles. Synchronicity is the universe's way of sending signs that you are on the right path. It is essential to stay alert and responsive to these signs, as they often guide you towards actions that align with your goals of abundance. To effectively leverage synchronicity, maintain an open and observant mindset throughout your day. When you notice patterns or coincidences, pause and consider their potential significance. For example, if you think about a new business idea and suddenly encounter someone from that industry, see it as a synchronistic event. Such occurrences are prompts from the universe to explore and engage with new opportunities that can lead to the manifestation of your goals. It's about taking practical steps towards your dreams when the universe aligns circumstances in your favor. The final key element in allowing the universe to bring money and miracles into your life is consistency in your practices and commitment to your path. Manifesting abundance is not a result of sporadic efforts but the product of persistent practice and steadfast faith in your activities. This commitment sends a strong message to the universe about your serious intentions. Implement your practices, visualization, affirmations, meditation, gratitude, with regularity. Make them part of your daily routine, not as occasional activities but as consistent actions. This consistency not only reinforces your desires within your subconscious but also amplifies the energy you send out into the universe, making it more likely to respond in kind. Commitment involves resilience. It's about continuing to trust and persevere, even when results aren't immediately apparent, understanding that each step you take is building towards your larger goal. While we wrap up our exploration of daily practices to invite the universe to bring money and miracles into our lives, remember that each element we've discussed is crucial in building a conducive environment for abundance. These practices are not just tasks to be checked off a list, they are profound changes to be integrated into your everyday life. They transform your perception, actions, and reactions to align more closely with the universe's flow of abundance. Take a moment to reflect on the journey you are about to start on. It is one of profound personal growth and change. You have the tools and understanding to reshape your world to one of wealth and wonder. By consistently applying these practices, you reaffirm your readiness to receive and your trust in the universe to deliver. The universe is infinitely abundant, and by aligning your energy with what you wish to attract, you open doors to endless possibilities. Why wait for tomorrow to start making changes that can transform your life today? Begin by setting clear intentions right now. Choose one or two practices we discussed to integrate into your daily routine starting tomorrow morning. Whether it's affirmations, visualization, or simply expressing gratitude for what you already have, each small step is a leap towards achieving your larger goals. While you continue these practices, observe the subtle yet profound changes not only in your surroundings but also within yourself. Your increased alignment with the universe's abundance is a powerful catalyst for attracting the wealth and miracles you desire. Keep your intentions clear, your heart open, and your actions consistent, and you will see the universe responding to your call. Now is the perfect moment to start this journey. Accept your ability to manifest your dreams with the support of the universe, and move forward with confidence and hope. The path to abundance is laid out before you. Step forward with commitment and watch as the wonders unfold.